Oh, hi! Ako nga pala, si Angel. Ako ay isang pensador. I am one of the authorized representative from Supreme Court under Kakajan Insurance Incorporated. For today's video, we will be talking about what is bail and what are the frequently asked questions by our clients during the process of our bail. Sasagutin po natin ang mga laging tinatanong sa amin ng mga client namin kapag pinoproseso po namin yung kanilang piyansa. Without further ado, let's begin. What is bail? It is a given by the court to a certain person so that he or she could defend himself to the court even he is not in the custody of jail. Ito ibigay sa mga preso upang sila'y makalaya. Para pag nag-defend sila sa court, is they have access sa mga proof that they will be needing. Number 2, how the bail is set and who are the people who influences kung magkano or magiging magkano ang inyong bail. The first person who influences kung magiging magkano ang inyong bail in your certain case are the prosecutor's office or yung mga piskal. May pinagbabasihan po silang bail bond guidelines. They are the ones who create your information regarding your case. Sa information po natin, makikita kung magkano ang inyong bail recommended at depende po ito sa inyong kaso. The third questions na laging tinatanong sa amin ng aming mga client is, what if we cannot afford the bail recommended? And we understand na minsan po kasi sobrang taas po ng bill and the relative cannot afford this certain bail po. For example, Section 11, 200,000 po yung bill. And the family cannot afford. They can always ask us, yung mga bandsman, kagaya ko, ako isang pensador, upang tulungan po kayo para maging mas mababa ang inyong bill. Fourth question is our bill refundable? Ang sagot po dyan is, there are two types of bail, surety bond and cash bond, which is discussed by Ma'am Luz in this video. So, i-clean lang po natin. So, it means surety, pag surety po ang in-avail, non-refundable, which means you cannot refund. If you avail cash bond, you can refund, which means it is refundable. Gets ba? Fifth question is, what are the bail conditions? Number 1 po na kondisyon pag nagpiyansa po kayo ay you need to attend all the hearing. What will happen? Because if you didn't attend even one single hearing that you have, the judge of the certain court will issue another warrant of arrest to you. What does it mean? Pag hindi po kayo umattend kahit isa lang na hearing, makukulong po kayo. Yun po ang pinakamalaking kondisyon ng bail. So, sipagan po natin ang pag-attend ng hearing, guys. Last question is, what will happen if your bail is forfeited? As I said a while ago, ma-i-issuehan po kayo ng warrant of arrest. And then, there are circumstances na kailangan mo po ulit magpiyansa. So, dagdag gastos na naman yun. So, paalala ko lang po sa inyo, kung magpapiyansa po kayo, siguraduhin niyo po attend po kayo ng hearing. Okay po ba yan? That's all for today's video. And I hope you gain some knowledge from what I have said and what I have explained to you. If you have specific questions, please always consult your legal advisors, which are your attorneys. You can always ask the PAO office if you have questions. This video is just guide for you to understand certain things about our law. And if you have further questions regarding this video, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!